Hi, my name is Soumya Rismana. Today we'll discuss about cognitive distortions during COVID. These days, people are using too much cognitive distortions. A cognitive distortion is an exaggerated, or we can say irrational thought patterns involved in the onset of stress, anxiety or depression. And obviously this whole pandemic situation is very uneasy and stressful to all of us. So I'm going to tell you the types of distortions in thinking so that you can identify it in you or your near dear one. Once you identify such thinking pattern, you can work on them. So number one is polarized thinking. It's also called all or nothing or black and white thinking. It occurs when we think in extremes. Most of the time, reality exists somewhere between the two extremes. So this kind of thinking is unrealistic. For example, one may think that either I will die with corona or I will not be infected by corona at all. Now, number two is overgeneralization. When we overgeneralize a situation or event, then it clearly indicates that our thinking is distorted. For example, someone died in your neighborhood and now you're thinking that your whole family will also die. And number three is catastrophizing, which leads people to assume the worst. And these days, most of us are catastrophizing like I'm going to get this disease, I'll not be able to survive, what will happen to my family members if I die, and so on. And number four is personalization. This is the most common type of cognitive distortion in which people take things personally. For example, you are blaming yourself for any mishappening in your home or neighborhood. It means that you have incorrectly assumed that this all has happened because of you, even if it wasn't your fault at all. Now, number five is mind reading. It happens when people assume that they know what others are thinking. As per researchers, this kind of thinking is associated with anxiety. For example, after recovering from COVID-19, if someone thinks that everyone is looking at him and showing discrimination. And number six is mental filtering. It's a tendency to ignore positives and focus exclusively on negatives. And this kind of distortion can increase your anxiety and depression. Researchers found that a negative perspective of yourself can cause feelings of hopelessness, which is extremely harmful to your mental health. For example, if someone believes that because of COVID something bad is going to happen in the world, now he is all the time noticing negative information related to his belief, his false belief. Number seven is emotional reasoning. In this, the individual develops a false belief that only his emotions are the truth. The individual feels that the way I feel about a situation is the reality. In this condition, it's very important to judge reality based on rational evidence. Researchers found that it's a common type of distortion and it occurs with or without anxiety or depression. Number eight is labeling, in which people label themselves and others based on a single event or behavior. No one wants to be labeled, and it's really inaccurate and irrational to label yourself or others based on a single event or behavior. This can cause the individual to misunderstand or underestimate others. So I have given a very brief description of different types of cognitive distortions. Now please identify if you have these cognitive distortions and then please work on them. Just think rationally and collect objective evidences of whatever you think which disturbs you or your near dear ones. You can always take help from a mental health professional without any hesitation. So thank you and take care.